preparing to go back out. And Cindy's getting ready.
Record me.
Cindy's getting ready. We're preparing. Supposedly, a light pole fell into the building. We don't know what that means.
We're going to have to go investigate.
Yes, my mom said we're going to be spies, so,
Spies?
I have to pee. Talk to you when I'm outside. Oh, let's go. Oh my god! What? Apparently, we can't leave. Go in the front. We gotta go on in the front. We're stopped.
We're snowed in the back.
I'm scared. I'm gonna die. We're gonna dive right now. Go try it again. Ready? It's a wind tunnel, watch!
Oh, I've been there!
Go ahead, do it! Look at Mommy! Mommy, walk backwards! She ran into the bowl. Let's run! I bet you we'll be able to run fast, come on! Those are some poor people walking. It's pretty sad. Another crazy driver. That taxi is probably stuck. Okay. You can't see Lincoln Park at all. The snow is just dead bad. The fire hydrant is dead. Okay, this is Sheridan. I think this is the road we blocked off. Look at how deep this snow is. This is unbelievable. Look at this. That's pretty crazy. A little squirrel could hide in there. Alright. I kind of want to go interview those people.
Taxi over there is sitting.
Want to go ask the taxi driver if he's stuck? Time stats, it's 10:30. And we're in the middle of Blizzard 2011. This is me, Cynthia, and Barb, my mom. There's a CTA bus person, and they're probably checking something out. Stubborn Matt. Yeah, that was where we were last video, which you cannot see in this current video. Yeah. You can't hear anything! I mean, you can't, and nobody's talking. Across the street. You have no idea what the pain is like. So why are you out in Blizzard 2011?
Oh, it's awesome. The three of us, there was in the party, but we went to Caesars, and we got some fucking
crazy!
what she said, and we made some chicken angels on the way back after
Oh, we did too!
Yeah, we made
margaritas.
some too over there.
I can't wait to see them. Where do I need to go?
Oh, they're right over there.
Right there, but I'm going this way.
Oh, well,
This way.
we're just recording. Bye! Those are some pretty crazy people.
Pretty drunk people.
Oh yeah, most definitely. We're just gonna walk up someplace.
Walk a little ways? Yeah.
Why not? Oh, it's a crazy driver. You can only see up to the bar.
Can't see. Go in the street. You can see. You can't see nothing.
That is the street. If you can see, you can't even see the street light. You can't see it's a red light.
Building, and we live right there.
Look at that is our building right there, and you can't see
We
that.
live right behind us. The hand.
We are in the middle of the street, and no one cares because look at the next thing we're gonna see is a big semi truck just like swerving.
Go right here, Cindy. Hurry up. Hurry up! Watch. Go. Do it. I'm moving. Do it.
Cindy's making a snow angel in the middle of the street.
Diversity.
All right, there's a car coming. Get up.
I love diversity. That was so cool.
Snotting everywhere.
Further.
Look at.
Literally up to our knees.
Yep. This is knee deep. Person. Okay.
Do you know them?
No.
Worse down there. Let's see if we can go into that nothingness.
Of course we're gonna go into the nothingness.
Dad, look ahead.
Yeah, you can't see anything up there. This blizzard is definitely crazy. And I just heard on the news it's not even halfway over. First blizzard I've ever been in.
It's like a zombie apocalypse. Look.
If you ever played that game on Xbox, Left 4 Dead, yeah, this is like Left 4 Dead. Zombies are just gonna start popping out of nowhere, and like the smoker and the boomer are gonna come and they're gonna kill us.
Don't even get them at 7-Eleven.
I do have money actually. If it's open, I will.
You have?
Oh my God! I want a hot dog.
Amber, you have icicles on your eyelashes.
Look at your face! You look like you're dying!
Sorry.
It looks like there's boogers coming out of my nose, but there's not. It's just ice.
We can bring the people inside 7-Eleven.
Yeah. Oh, we're about to...
How do you do that?
I'm walking in the middle of the street. Oh my God, he looks like Tigger! He is Tigger! Tigger! His name is Tigger! Hi, Tigger! Look at it, Tigger! Wait, we're gonna interview him! What are you doing? Making a video log thingy. You sure look warm.
It's super close. You guys look freezing.
Oh yeah. We're about to get so much.
Hey, how's it going?
That's my mom.
Blizzard.
Happy
Ah, she's not the only one who says it.
I think there's some other people down there. Happy Blizzard. Isn't it?
Alright.
Comfortable
This is
Chicago weather,
awesome.
yeah?
Alright.
You guys catch the thunder and lightning?
Oh yeah.
Yes, we did.
Our windows were shaking. Ah!